by saying nature is at home when we are traveler. Nature is at home when we are traveler. The nature is at workplace when others are desirer. When others are desirer.
So true. The nature is best at being home. As home for us in nature's lap. You seems to be living here so long.
So your question in direct word would be, what's your age, right? I would answer in old-fashioned way. I am young in experience, youngest in appearance, quite old at flying high, an ocean to delve in.
Okay, I was naive to be asking. This experience is a incompetent player. We are all around in the home space. No hesitancy to declare there is so much energy within, finding between, no laziness to accompany, no laziness to accompany.
We all have great experience to fly. Flying is a limitless joy. When no boundaries create negotiations, no binding at associations, nothing is at destinations. It is from freedom, leading to freedom, in midst of all the freedom. Do you feel anxiousness?
Yes, when sleep are deprived, loud music arrives. A conversation where there exists outrageous celebration, anxiety is dispirited.
Quite interesting. Good recitation with a poem. What about nature?
Nature is complete in half as well. Nature is complete in half as well. Nature is incessant place of exuberance. Nature is incessant place of exuberance. A joy for innocence, a joy for innocence, a home place for innumerable creature, a home place for innumerable creature, a workplace only to human nature, a workplace
Workplace
only
only
to
to human
human nature.
nature. Thank you for watching.